How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another FreeCad tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a sketch on face in FreeCAD. Now, basically, this is my object right here. It's really simple. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply select your face or on the object itself, and then it will open up this new window right here. Now, inside this page, you just have to click on this specific button. Now, if you cannot see the Create Sketch option, you want to click on the drop-down menu and make sure that the Create Sketch is available. Now, in here, you can also click on the Create Sketch button right after clicking the face itself. Click on Create Sketch, and then from there, we are ready to do whatever we want to on this specific sketch. Now I'll just create another object, and as you can see, you can keep repeating this by just clicking the face itself. Click Create Sketch, and that's basically it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.